Nicotinamide, adenine, dinucleotide, or NAD+, a vital molecule inside every cell. Think of it as a coenzyme, a crucial helper. Main job: help cells make energy from food, ATP. ATP powers everything we do. It powers our muscles. It powers our brain. It powers our internal organs. Without enough NAD+, cellular energy factories can't run at full capacity. NAD+ also regulates hundreds of other biological processes. A key role is repairing damaged DNA. This keeps our genetic code intact. NAD+ helps control circadian rhythms, our sleep-wake cycles. It's also involved in strengthening the body's defense systems. In essence, NAD+ works behind the scenes to keep cells running smoothly. A big challenge: NAD+ levels decline with age. By around age 50, levels may be about half of youthful levels. The precursors, NR and NMN. Because NAD+ levels fall with age, many people look for ways to boost them. This has led to a growing market for NAD+ supplements. The primary goal of these supplements is to provide the body with the raw materials it needs to make more NAD+. Taking NAD+ directly as a supplement is not very effective. The NAD+ molecule is large and has difficulty passing through cell membranes to get where it is needed most. Therefore, the focus has shifted to using smaller molecules, known as precursors, which the body can easily absorb and then convert into NAD+. The two most common and widely studied precursors are nicotinamide riboside, known as NR, and nicotinamide mononucleotide, or NMN. Both of these molecules are forms of vitamin B3. They represent steps along the biochemical pathway that cells use to synthesize NAD+. When you ingest NR or NMN, your body's cells can take them up, and through a series of enzymatic reactions, transform them into the final NAD+ molecule. This process effectively bypasses the absorption issue of taking NAD+ directly, allowing for a more efficient way to support the body's internal supply. The scientific community is still exploring the precise differences between how the body uses NR and NMN. Some research suggests that NR must first be converted into NMN before it can be used to make NAD+. Other studies propose that NR might have its own direct pathways into certain cells. People are drawn to NAD+ supplements for a wide range of potential health benefits. One of the most frequently reported effects is an increase in energy levels. Since NAD+ is fundamental to cellular energy production, the theory is that more NAD+ leads to more efficient energy creation. That could help combat feelings of fatigue. Another area of intense interest is metabolism. Some preliminary studies in animals suggest benefits. Some preliminary studies in humans suggest benefits. Boosting NAD+ may improve insulin sensitivity and support healthier metabolic function. That matters for managing blood sugar levels and body weight. The role of NAD+ in DNA repair has led many to label it as an anti-aging molecule. The idea is that by supporting natural repair mechanisms, NAD+ could help maintain cellular health and resilience. Early-stage research, primarily in animal models, has indicated potential benefits for brain health. These studies have shown higher NAD+ may be associated with improved cognitive function and neuroprotective effects. Athletes and physically active individuals have also taken an interest in NAD+ precursors. Some users report faster muscle recovery and reduced fatigue after intense exercise. The hypothesis is that by supporting energy production and cellular repair within muscle tissue, NAD+ could help the body bounce back more effectively. While anecdotal reports are common, rigorous clinical trials in athletes are still needed to confirm effects and determine optimal protocols. It is an exciting area, but one that requires more scientific validation. It is absolutely crucial to approach these potential benefits with a dose of caution. Trusted sources like the Cleveland Clinic and the Atria Health and Research Institute emphasize the science of NAD+ is still evolving. When considering any new supplement, safety is the most important factor. Based on current short-term human studies, NAD+ precursors like NR and NMN appear to be generally well tolerated by most people. The most commonly reported side effects are typically mild and transient: nausea, mild bloating or stomach discomfort, headaches, Flushing, temporary reddening of the skin. In the studies conducted so far, which usually last for a few weeks to a few months, serious adverse events have been rare. Despite this reassuring short-term safety profile, it is important to acknowledge what we do not yet know. The long-term effects of consistently elevating NAD+ levels over many years or decades have not been studied in humans. Science is still investigating NAD+'s roles in cells, including potential influence on cell growth. Because research is early, a cautious approach is warranted. We lack comprehensive, long-term safety data compared to many older supplements. Therefore, consult a qualified healthcare professional before you start taking any NAD+ supplement. This conversation is not optional. It is essential for your safety. Your doctor can evaluate your overall health.